This two-pan T-Fal Ultimate Nonstick Fry Pan set combines hard anodized aluminum with a reinforced nonstick surface, so everyday meals release easily and the pans hold up well over time. The nonstick coating is impressively resilient, allowing you to cook with less fat and still have food slide out smoothly, which makes cleanup quick and low effort. T-Fal's signature heat indicator in the center of each pan turns solid when preheated, taking the guesswork out of when to start cooking and helping food brown more evenly. The pans heat uniformly across the base, so you are less likely to see hot spots that scorch food, which is especially helpful for delicate items like eggs and fish. Riveted handles with silicone grips stay comfortable and secure in the hand, making it easier to maneuver the pans from stovetop to oven without feeling flimsy. Being safe for the dishwasher and for moderate oven use, this set works well for busy home cooks who want versatile pans that can handle searing on the stove and finishing in the oven.